Elon Musk's Neuralink is spearheading a revolution, developing technology to reshape our relationship with the world. Neuralink announced new updates this week. Neuralink's innovation centers on a brain-computer interface, or BCI. It bridges our brain's electrical signals with the digital language of computers. Implanted in the brain, it links thoughts to the external world. Patients with paralysis control cursors and communicate through their minds. The implications of this technology are staggering. Imagine a world where those with spinal cord injuries can regain mobility, using their thoughts to control prosthetic limbs. Imagine the blind seeing through cameras connected to their visual cortex. These are the goals Neuralink is actively pursuing. We embark on a journey that could redefine what it means to be human. Imagine a device, no larger than a coin, capable of unlocking the secrets of the human brain. The Neuralink implant is a marvel of miniaturization. It houses thousands of microscopic electrodes and a wireless transmitter, all within a package discreetly implanted beneath the skull. This tiny device represents a giant leap in brain interaction, opening possibilities for restoring function and enhancing capabilities. Central to Neuralink's technology are its electrodes, thousands of hair-thin threads gently inserted into the brain's cortex. They enable two-way communication with the brain, translating thoughts into commands to control devices. Neuralink's most remarkable feature is its wireless capability. The implant communicates with devices like computers or smartphones without wires. This is achieved through inductive charging, similar to smartwatches. An external headband transmits power wirelessly, keeping the implant charged. The Neuralink implant doesn't just listen to the brain, it can also communicate back. By sending electrical impulses to specific neurons, the device can stimulate brain activity, offering new ways to treat neurological conditions and even enhance cognitive function. While still in early stages, the potential for treating Parkinson's, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's is promising. Imagine managing these diseases through a device that speaks the brain's language. Imagine the human brain as a vast, bustling city with billions of neurons firing like tiny electrical impulses, akin to the city's vibrant energy. Neuralink's technology eavesdrops on these whispers of thought. Microscopic electrodes act like sensitive microphones, picking up subtle electrical fluctuations when neurons communicate. Each thought, each movement, each sensation triggers a unique symphony of neural activity. Neuralink's challenge is to decode this symphony, identifying patterns that correspond to specific actions. The implant's electrodes actively measure voltage changes in brain tissue. The raw data collected by the electrodes is transmitted wirelessly to the Neuralink chip, a marvel of processing power. Sophisticated algorithms decode the complex language of the brain. By analyzing patterns and timing, the chip deciphers the meaning behind neural signals. As algorithms learn, decoding accuracy and speed improve. Once the Neuralink chip interprets brain signals, it translates intentions into actions, like moving a cursor or controlling a prosthetic limb, all through the power of thought. The implant sends commands wirelessly, bridging the brain and the digital world. Imagine technology integrating with our thoughts, overcoming disabilities and unleashing human potential. The potential of Neuralink remained theoretical, until Nolan stepped forward, bridging concept and reality. His decision to join Neuralink's first human trial would alter neuroscience and redefine human capability. Living with quadriplegia, Nolan's spirit and desire to interact with the world remained unbroken. The day Nolan received the Neuralink implant marked a pivotal moment in medical history. Nolan faced the unknown with unwavering resolve, believing this technology held the key to a future he had once only imagined. The world watched as surgeons, scientists, and engineers worked meticulously, carrying the weight of hope and expectation. The moment of truth arrived. With the Neuralink implant in place, the team waited as Nolan attempted to move a cursor, using only his thoughts. The silence was electric. Then, it happened. Slowly, then with increasing speed, the cursor moved, responding to Nolan's thoughts. The room erupted in applause, a symphony of joy and awe. Nolan's accomplishment sent shockwaves of excitement and hope throughout the global scientific community. Neuralink's technology could restore lost function. Nolan's story was more than just a scientific breakthrough. It was a beacon of hope for countless individuals, inspired a generation of scientists and dreamers. Restoring mobility to those with paralysis is monumental, but Neuralink's aspirations extend far beyond. Direct brain interface opens up a universe of potential applications, each more awe-inspiring than the last. Imagine a world where blindness is no longer a barrier, visual information bypassed directly to the brain's visual cortex, allowing the blind to see through artificial sensors. This could revolutionize how we perceive and interact with the world, offering newfound independence and freedom to millions. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it is imperative that we proceed with both excitement and caution. Interfacing with the human brain raises profound ethical questions. Who will have access to this technology, and how will it be regulated? Ensuring responsible use is crucial for the betterment of humanity. The road ahead for Neuralink is paved with immense promise and challenges. Initial trials have been remarkably successful, but widespread clinical use requires overcoming hurdles. Refining the surgical procedure is a primary challenge. It carries risks and needs specialized expertise. Neuralink is developing robotic systems to automate and streamline implantation, making it safer and more efficient. This will make it accessible to more patients. Neuralink's success hinges on innovation and collaboration. Addressing ethics and regulations needs diverse stakeholders. Our choices and actions shape Neuralink's future. Collaboration and ethics can empower humanity. Neuralink's journey continues. The team refines the technology, aiming for intuitive brain-machine interfaces. Enhancing the implant's power source is crucial. Imagine it drawing power from our movements. This would eliminate frequent charging, seamlessly integrating into life. As Neuralink's technology evolves, its potential applications grow. Decoding brain signals opens up possibilities we are only beginning to imagine. Imagine learning a new language by downloading it directly into your brain, or artists translating emotions into breathtaking digital art. The implications for education and creativity are revolutionary. Imagine a world where communication transcends words, where thoughts and emotions are shared directly, fostering deeper understanding and empathy. Neuralink could break down language and cultural barriers, creating a more interconnected global community. This connectivity could revolutionize education, healthcare, and science. The future that Neuralink is shaping is not one of human versus machine, but rather a future where the two are inextricably linked, working in harmony to unlock new possibilities. This future belongs to all of us. The story of Neuralink is still being written, a story of breakthroughs and resilience. The human spirit achieves the extraordinary. Embrace a future where technology serves humanity. It is a future where the boundaries between mind and machine blur and our understanding of the brain deepens. As we venture forth, let us do so with open minds and compassionate hearts.